We breathe into peace, knowing that peace exists in this moment. As we relax the mind and relax the body, we become present to what is right here, what is available, what is accessible. So let's take a deep community breath and arrive. We allow our attention to focus on the breath, attending to the inhale and the exhale. And as thoughts arise, we simply watch them float by like clouds in the sky. In the moment of awareness that we are thinking, we simply return to the breath, allowing that rhythm to welcome us home into this moment. Allowing the movement of the breath to actually lead us into stillness. Allowing ourselves this time in deep relaxation, deep peace, deep stillness. In the sacred silence. The power of life is quickened within, right here, right now. The power of strength, wisdom, and love are quickened within, right here, right now. Right where we are. We are one with life expressing. breath by breath, moment by moment, our hearts expand their capacity to experience this truth. That we live and move and have our beings in a wondrous world full of spirit. That we are not separate from this life or this thing we call God. That in fact this is the fabric of our being and the foundation of self. And so it is.